Good afternoon, Miss. Bueno, el día de hoy, vuelta lo haré otra vez, haré de los dos alumnos que comparan los dispositivos tecnológicos, uno antiguo y uno nuevo. Haré de cada uno una comparación de dos compañeros que que compran un nuevo y cambian por un antiguo dispositivo. Okay, the present my activity en la semana 11. Okay, hello friend, where are you going? I was going to buy another cell phone here, friend. You are finally going to change your cell phone after all years? Yes, friend. I bought the last iPhone. So, how much is it? Between 4,900 and 5,000 soles. How much did the last iPhone you bought cost? I cost my least 2,000 soles. It was blue. And what color will you buy this time? This time is orange. I understand. I think this pony fall as better materials reels. It's better than the previous one, what is a better camera and more without feathers. I understand. That's it. A nice cell phone. Yes. And tell me where you going? I was going to exchange my laptop. Ah, no, understand which one you're going to replace it with? Uh, for a 16-inch Apple MacBook Pro. Understand. What was the previous one? Yes, it was a gray Ars Core i5. It was, thank you. What color will you buy this time? This time a red one for my office. I understand. This laptop is better, right? It is the lasting in the field. It will plenty of storage and opens any programs. And Anderson, congratulations. Good hood. See you soon, Regget. Bye bye, friend. Bye bye, friend.